अगर आप उन लोगों में से हैं जिन्हें हाई प्रोटीन ब्रेकफास्ट तो चाहिए बट यू डू नॉट वांट टू रिलाई ऑन एक्सपेंसिव प्रोटीन पाउडर्स, then this recipe might change your mornings. And today I'm sharing one of my go-to summer breakfast, a Sattu Coffee Smoothie. Cooling, energizing and incredibly nourishing. Why Sattu? Sattu is summer superfood. Naturally coolant for the body, prevent dehydration and heat fatigue, high in protein and fiber, keeps you full for longer, reduce cravings and support your gut health and digestion. Next our ingredient is peanut powder. So instead of peanut butter, I am using peanut powder, which is very different from peanut butter because this has 85% less fat. I am using defattened peanut powder. It is easily available on Amazon, but I bought it from Blinkit, and you can buy it from any good brand that only has peanuts in it. So just to show you the difference, 1 tablespoon of peanut powder or defattened peanut powder has just 35 calories and gives you 7 grams of protein. Whereas peanut butter, 1 tablespoon gives you 95 calories and just 4 grams of protein, and it is loaded with fat. So that's why I prefer peanut powder that has 85% less fat, high protein density, easier to digest, and it's better for fat loss and lean muscle goals. Now let's move on to the ingredients. So I'm using 250 ml of cow milk, but you can also use almond or soya milk if you're a vegan or if you avoid dairy. 3 tablespoons of sattu flour, that is roasted chane ka atta, 2 tablespoons of defatted peanut powder, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 sachet of strong coffee. I'm using Vietnamese coffee, but you can use your instant coffee as well. 1 sachet of monk fruit sweetener. So I'm using monk fruit that has 0 calorie, and I'm using 100% monk fruit. 1 sachet equals to 1 teaspoon of your sugar, but it has 0 calorie and it will not raise your blood sugar. Few drops of pure vanilla extract, and make sure that you use pure vanilla. If you don't have it, you can skip it. Some ice cubes are optional. I'm using chilled milk, so I'm not using ice cubes. Start by adding half the milk into the blender. Always begin with liquid. ये prevent करता है ingredients को आपके blender में stick होने से. And always follow this sandwich technique. For a smoothie or a shake, liquid goes first, then solid, and then little bit of liquid on top. Now add your sattu powder, your peanut powder, cocoa powder, coffee and sweetener, that is monk sweetener. Then add the remaining milk and a splash of pure vanilla extract. Blend it until it becomes smooth and creamy. As I said, you can add some ice cubes if you want. It gives that extra chill and it makes your smoothie a little thick as well. The consistency will be slightly more creamier. Now this smoothie is highly nutritious. It's low in calorie. इससे आपको 260 से 300 यानी 260 से 300 calories मिलेंगी. It has 24 to 26 grams of protein, 20 to 25 grams of carbs, fat very low 6 to 8 grams, and fiber 5 to 6 grams. And why this works especially in the morning? This smoothie will give you sustainable energy without that sugar crash. ये प्रोटीन में रिच है, so it will keep you full for hours. इसके अंदर cooling ingredients हैं which are ideal for summers. It will support fat loss and muscle maintenance, and it is gut friendly and easy to digest. When you can have it, obviously you can have it as your breakfast. आप इसे post workout recovery drink की तरह भी ले सकते हैं, post your workout in the morning or in the evening, or you can also enjoy it as your evening snack. So if you are tired of complicated diets and expensive supplements, then start simple and start smart. Try this smoothie and tell me how you feel. You can also share the pictures in my account here on YouTube in the community post. follow for more practicals and science-backed recipe. This is dietitian Manju Malik signing off. Stay healthy, stay fit, stay active, and I'll be back very soon. Until next time, you take care. Bye-bye.